If you love candles, as I do, you probably have a lot of candles lying around or sitting on shelves, and you pull them out on occasion and use them. Well, I was looking at some of my candles, and I thought, how could I get those candles out of the pantry and onto the display somehow? And I thought again of my copper wire basket. So I pulled out some of my candles, and I thought, you could do a variety of different things with them. You could change them for the seasons, and you could display them along with some artificial flowers. So I just put a candle in the basket, and I put a variety of sizes. And then I thought, well, I could put a Christmas pick in this one, and that would give it kind of that feeling of Christmas or winter. Or I could take the Christmas look out, and I could put in more of a spring collection of candles and put in a different pick that had kind of a springy effect to it. Or you could even take some potpourri, take it apart and open it up, and put some of the potpourri pieces that wouldn't fall through your wire frame in with your candles. That way your candles can be on display throughout the year, and you can change them with the season. And you still have a shadow box to hang on your wall with a variety of candles in it. And that's what I would do with this copper wire basket to make it a candle shadow box.